Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is Tata Steel. If you look at the daily chart, you can see after consolidation in this particular region, Tata Steel has been consistently making lower lows since last four trading sessions. Talking about tomorrow's session, currently Tata Steel is at this level. I can see this is, I will mark it out. This seems to be a support level for Tata Steel. I expect Tata Steel to continue this bearish momentum in tomorrow's session, and it may find a strong support over here. Either it will consolidate and try to break out of this support level, or it might just retrace from this particular support level. Let's see what happens. Second stock is ITC. Just like Tata Steel, ITC has been showing strong bearish momentum, and this is a really decent support level for ITD, and there is long way to go for that. So I expect this bearish momentum to continue for this week and also beginning of this next week. The reason for that is there is no imminent support level near today's closing candle. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Cadila Healthcare. Just look at this particular level on a daily chart. This is where Cadila Healthcare either started to go up and down. Considering the steep downward movement, I expect this particular support level to hold, and before that you can see Cadila in a free fall at around the levels of 358, and the current market price is around 375. So we are looking for a decent amount of profit in Cadila. It may not happen in one go, but at least 2 or 3 trading session might require to reach till this support level. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Enterprise. As I have been saying, all the trading activity has been around or inside this stronger bullish candle in last 3 or so weeks. In last couple of days, Adani Enterprise showing more bearish momentum indicated by constant urge to fall down. Considering today's candle, I expect this bearish momentum to continue, and we might see a strong support over the low of this bearish bullish candle. If you want to know all the important levels for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.